Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we have is the #1 best-selling Halloween cat from 2023 into 2024, still climbing the chart. It's 6 feet long, it's windproof, sunproof, and waterproof. This thing lights up LED. Don't forget to check in the description box for more price and details. Well, let's open it up, and then all you got to do is plug it in. It's gonna take a minute to blow up, and let's see how it looks. I didn't even anchor it right now, but you're gonna see the head move. Look. Oh man, that is freaking awesome. No wonder this is one of the best Halloween inflatable decoration for outdoor right now. Look at this, amazing. Listen, I gotta tell you, the eyes will light up bright. You can hear it from my voice. I'm really excited. Look at that, look at it. Oh, listen, definitely. And there's a light in the middle there too. There's one over there, but we're gonna do a nighttime coming up right now. Look at the tail, beautiful. There's his butt. So that's still filling up right now, and all the dogs are here. They're like, who's this big giant cat? Who's this big cat here, right? But I gotta tell you, man, I'm loving this. The kids love this. It's a good quality so far. It's kind of a little windy, but nothing blow it up. But I love the head moving. Okay, so it's a little dark right now, and you can see the light, and you're gonna see how the head is moving right now. Hold on one second. Look at that. Oh my God. Listen, it's better in real life. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. We're a big fan of Halloween in this house, and I'm telling you, we love this cat. I love it. I highly recommend anyone to get this. Don't forget to check in the description box below for price and details, and get your hand before it sells out fast. It sells really fast on Amazon, and I appreciate it. If you guys like and subscribe, do appreciate it. We got a lot more videos coming up, and hopefully more stuff on Halloween.